Okay, we're here today on the day that they announced that we had a 14-day quarantine on the news, but we're gonna install this lip on Marky's car. Oh, by the way, he has a lip on. We're gonna redo that actually. Take that out and install the new one. We gotta pop the hood, take out clips, all there. I'm not gonna count, but they're on the bottom as well. And the fender. And yeah. We'll get to work. We'll make it quick. Enjoy. We did take the bumper off. There was a lot of hidden stuff, so it kind of took time, but we got it out. Alright, so here's the lip for the bumper. Mark's gonna open it because he's the owner. So yeah, he has to do something. Just kidding. Alright, so here's the lip that we're installing into the bumper. It has like that gloss black finish. We got the lip on. It was kind of a hassle to put it on, but we figured it out and it's on. It looks nice. Alright, so this is the old lip. If you guys want it, you can come get it for free. Hit me up in the DMs or message me. Use slightly cracked, and it comes with a gram speed plastic frame. Hit me up. Well, there you have it. We got the bumper back on Mark's STI. As you can see, the lip is on the car. Looks simple, clean as well. Digging at it, look. Here's the back of Mark's car. And by the way, he's running the Race Engineering 57 rims. I think that's what it's called, right? But anyway, we got more projects actually for this car in the future. Stay tuned. And there you have it. We completed this project for today. My STI. Mark's STI. So if you want to see more content, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. I want those subscriptions. Hey Mark, what you think? Say peace. We out.